Morning students. Let's we understand what is meant by revenue expenditure. In last video, we have seen that what is meant by capital expenditure. Now we will see the what is meant by revenue expenditure. So meaning is very simple. See the Kohler has defined the revenue expenditure as an expenditure charge against the operation. Operation means what? Business. So whenever we are doing the business, there are some expenses. Normally these expenses are very small, but we have to incur. A term used to contrast with the capital expenditure. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? A term used to contrast with the capital expenditure exactly opposite. Contract means exactly opposite of the capital expenditure. That's called revenue expenditure. So we will discuss in detail again what is meant by revenue expenditure. So see the second thing that revenue expenditure means the expenditure from which no future benefit is accepted. So when we do such a type of the expenses in future, we will not get any type of the benefit from this expenditure. So this is second very important feature of the revenue expenditure. So revenue expenditure when we do, we will never incur the future benefit. But in capital, we always get the future benefit. Revenue में हमको मिलने वाला नहीं है. After this, expenses means cost. The amount of expenditure incurred on specific article, on product, on activity. So whenever we are doing business, we are dealing with the article, we are dealing with the product, and we are dealing with the activity. So at that time we incur the expenses, and that expenses is called the revenue expenses. Next one that we will see the small feature of the revenue expenditure. First is that cost related operation during the accounting year. Accounting year means we are starting with the April and we are ending with the March. So during this period we have some expenditure, and that expenditure is called the revenue expenditure. And this expenditure for running the operation of the business, doing the operation of the activity, and that is known as revenue expenditure. After that, we will see the cost relating income earned during the accounting year. So when we do such type of expenses, we will get the income, but only for short period of time, not for long period of time. So जब भी खर्चा करेंगे थोड़ा पैसा मिलेगा, but that is short period of time. After that, cost whose benefit does not extend behind the accounting year. अकाउंटिंग ईयर मीन्स एक साल के अंदर ही आपको इनकम आने वाला है, उसके बाद उसको आपको इनकम आने वाला नहीं है. दैट मीन्स 12 months. We prepare the balance sheet for how many months? 12 months, and that is called 1 year. After that, an expire cost operation of expenditure from which no future benefit is accepted. So we already explained this कि जब भी हम लोग खर्चा करेंगे तो इसकी वजह से we will not get future benefit. We will do expenses. So we will get the income only for short period of time. But long period of time, we will never incur income from this such a type of the expenses. After that, an opposed to capital expenditure has no future benefit. So again, we are studying the revenue expenditure, which is exactly opposite of the capital expenditure. So these are very different opposite characters: capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is a term when you always short period of time. Short period में किसको बोलते हैं? Those we incur income less than 1 year, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Short period बोलते हैं. So whenever we do the income, that is always for short period of time and not for long period of time. After this, we will see the features, we will see the characteristics of the revenue expenditure. What will see the characteristics of the revenue expenditure? With the help of this, keep in mind, we will decide this expenditure revenue or not. So first is that business activity, it helps to run the business and earn income. So whenever you do the income, it helps to run the business. बिजनेस स्मूथली करने के लिए एक एक्सपेंडिचर हमको करना ही करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट विल गेट इनकम फॉर शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. After this, maintain the asset. In production, what happen? We purchase the large machinery. For that, we incur the expenses. And after using wear and tear means after depreciation, after 5 years, after 10 years, this machine will not effectively. So to become effectively, the machine should be give the service, and that service is called the मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द एसेट. सो एसेट मेंटेन के लिए हम लोग को थोड़ा थोड़ा उसके ऊपर खर्चा करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रीसिंग, ऑयलिंग, some defective part we have to remove and put the new part. Such type of the asset should be maintained. After that, not recovering in nature. That means whenever you do such expenses, never going to be recover in future. एक बार expenses किया मिस किया वो आपको मिलने वाला नहीं है. After this, it is a recurring nature. Recurring means ये expense को बार 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 आने वाला है. For example, rent per month. For example, electricity bill per month. So this type of the expense always comes per month, per month, per month. So let's see the some example of the revenue expenditure. So first, cost of replacement of defective part of machinery. So what is mean by defective part? Defective part means machinery one small part may be out of order. So that part should be replaced, and that is called the defective part of the machinery. So that type of expenses is called the revenue expenditure. After that, expenditure for training the employee for better running the machinery. So sometimes machinery is very complicated, so we have to give the train the employees, and that is known as a revenue expenditure. After that, an amount spent on uniform of the worker. So see the this white uniform given to the employee by the employer. So this also known as a revenue expenditure because हर महीने हर साल में उसको देना है. After that, import duty on raw material purchase. Suppose you purchase the machinery from outside the state, on that you have to pay the import duty, and that is called the revenue expenditure. After this, rupees 1,70,000 paid for the excise duty or sugar of manufacturing. So this is also known as a revenue expenditure because excise pay. Whenever you purchase, we have to pay. Whenever you purchase, we have to pay. After that, expenditure incur overhandling machinery. So this is also revenue expenditure. आफ्टर दैट टैक्स पेड. हम लोग को हर बार टैक्स भरना है, टैक्स भरना है, टैक्स भरना. हर साल हम लोग क्या करते हैं, टैक्स भरते हैं. प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं, टैक्स भरते हैं. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. आफ्टर दैट पेमेंट ऑफ परचेस ऑफ गुड्स. सो वेन एवर वी परचेस द गुड्स we are paying the amount, and that's also revenue because goods we purchase regular basis, sometime per month, sometime quarterly, sometime after 6 months. After that, legal expenses paid. So sometime we incur the legal charges. So at that time, legal expenses occur every month, sometime 6 months, sometime yearly. So that is also called the revenue expenditure. So repair to keep machinery in good working condition. Sometime machine को अच्छे condition में रखने के लिए we have to greasing them, we have to service them, and this type of expenses is called the revenue expenditure. After this last, dividend and interest on investment. So this is not income, this is not expenses, this is income. Dividend received, interest received. So sometimes we also invest the money in shares. At that time, company gives us the dividend sometime after 6 months, sometime yearly. But this is a regular income, and this is called the revenue receipt. So all this example of the revenue, expenditure, and receipt. So what you do? Take the note and write down this note, your notebook, very carefully, and this one. So last थोड़ा बच गया, audit fees. So this audit fees paid. Audit fees always paid out per year. You know the we prepare the balance sheet, and that balance should be audited by the auditor. That's authenticated by the auditor, and that's called legal document. So at that time we have to pay the fees to auditor, and that is called audit fees. So these are all the feature of the all the example of the revenue expenditure. So write down, prepare your own notes with the help of this lecture, and take care. Thank you.